Come test drive this 2020 Ram 1500. It's equipped with tons of terrific amenities, but it won't break your budget, such as remote keyless entry, a leather steering wheel, a built-in garage door transmitter, an outside temperature display, adjustable pedals, a bedliner, and a split folding rear seat. Passenger security is always assured thanks to various safety features such as dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.